Welcome to Lab 1 for our course G04 mutation detection. So in this video, we're going to cover the practical details. We're just going to focus here on getting our data before we move on to the subsequent steps that are in separate videos on SNP calling and indel calling with Freebase, then also with BCF tools, screening with BCF tools and BCF tools, visualizing with IGV, and then evaluating our SNP data at the end as well. So what we're going to do is use this folder on the server. If you have trouble accessing it, just give me a shout and I'll be able to modify permissions there for that. And what we'll do is commands like copy this file from that location. It's a BAM file after we post this before, like the previous labs, to your current folder location, which is symbolized by the dot at the end. And we can do that for the BAI file as well, or you can index that too with this command, samples index for that BAM file. What we'll also do is copy over the SARS-CoV-2 reference genome as well from this folder too. So you can just copy that from this location, it's the full file link, to your current folder or wherever you're working from. Alternate to that is that you can use Conda to install this application NCBI Act download, or you can install it with pip, and then use that tool to get that file in FASTA format. So we're just getting that file in the same way. So now we'll switch to the server to look at how we actually do those commands there. So we have here our window showing our server location, and I'm in this folder of mutations. So what you can do is use those commands put in the tutorial script and paste them in there, and then you can see that command copying this file error 613930 to your file location. That contains the nanopore data. You can copy that over, and you can just do the same with the BI file containing the index for that. You can also, if you want, use SAM tools and index on that BAM file as well if you have your own file. So using the sorted.orm-dup BAM file, and that'll create a BI index for there. Ignore this information from Conda. It's not relevant for us. You can also copy over the SARS-CoV-2 FASTA genome reference to your location, or you can use this tool NCBI Act download to download it as well with that command, which you can install, as mentioned, via pip and Conda. So if you do that, that will download it to your current folder location, and you should see it downloaded there, just like that. So that means that you're now set up for the next step of looking at SNP calling in Freebase. And one thing I should remember to remind you is also to index your FASTA file we just downloaded there with SAMtools FADEX command. That creates a simple reference index for that. If we look at those files, we can see there we're looking at nc.fa is the FASTA sequence, as we can see there. .fai contains simple summary of the FASTA accession number, the length, and the other information for accessing that file, which we'll need to because we're mapping our reads to it. So that's kind of the end of this video. Please see the next one on mutation calling with BCF tools.